Pac-Man's a bad guy?
Pac-Man is not bad. I created him to bring joy to all the people of the world. They have brainwashed him. Deep down, he's kind, gentle. Someone you can tell your troubles to, or grab a hamburger with. You'll see.
Professor Iwatani, get back in the car!
Professor Iwatani, what are you doing?
I will talk to him. He's my son.
No, that's a bad idea.
Hello, my sweet little boy. Look how big you've grown. I'm so proud of you.
That's so sweet. He's so sweet.
But all these destructive things you're doing, it's wrong. I'm your father. I know. You're a good boy.
I think so.
Good luck with that.
Somebody kill it,
That was some twisted Pinocchio Geppetto stuff right there.
All right, losers! 3-on-1! Let's hit it!
Pac-Man's faster than I remember.
Pac-Man's always been faster than the Ghost. We're gonna have to outmaneuver his ass. Wonderfro, you and Silver Metal break off. I'll stay with Big Yellow.
Whoa, Eddie, how did you do that so fast?
Because I'm the champ, Lieutenant Longlegs.
What's up?
Oh, yeah!
Good one, Eddie.
One down!
2 to go! All right, Pac-Man number 2 just regenerated 4 streets away, headed northbound. Turn east at the next intersection. Brenner, go straight.
Got it.
Ludlow, go left. Eddie, at the next intersection, turn left.
We got him! He's got nowhere to go!
Are you sure about that?
Oh, God, no!
Oh God, no what?
He ate the power pellet! Pac-Man's got 10 seconds where he can eat us!
Get over here!
Oh, God, don't eat me, don't eat me, don't eat me. Please, please don't eat me.
You are next! I'm gonna die of virgin!
Why are you doing this to me?
You've been great ones! You're a good boy!
On the run! Pump your legs! Go, baby! Boy, Eddie!
Oh, you just got fire blasted, sucker!
How the hell did he get over there so fast?
Way to go, champ!
Aren't you glad you sprung me second place?
Yeah, thrilled. One more to go and it's happy hour. Get your ass back here, boy! So I guess they're just leaving me here.
Now it's time for the hat trick.
Brenner, it's on you. There are still 3 other power pellets out there, so stay alert.
I got this. If I don't, the world ends. Can't let that happen.
Come on, Brenner. Come on.
Brenner, he's leading you directly towards one of the power pellets. Get out of there.
Ah, shit.
One,
Here we go again.
What the hell is he doing?
2.
Damn it!
Get on!